Wagwan ENT.
When I say dreadlocks, so I know original sound called King STUR GAV Wi-Fi. We're in the place called Oracabessa. Man like Charlie Chaplin just arrived at the place, but hear me I tell him star. I man said it's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The day when STUR GAV walk in my life. Yeah, me know. Make me sing song over there. STUR make me sing song over there. STUR make me sing a Clarendon and me say round a veer. Oracabessa round a St. Mary. St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland and never Clarendon. A STUR GAV make me ram up on the whole of Portland. Me no speaking Lord of God and me no smoking, me no twang. Africa me born, but a jam one me jam. Whenever time me talk I play culture one. Say switch off the microphone in. Lord, so easy to remember, but so hard to forget. The day when STUR walking through my life. This sound yeah, is only about 155,000 pounds. We black out a street vehicle, nearly lick them down. We drop off a solar and go drop on ground. I know any dippy sound can take spirit crown. Rubber dub style, we born and we own. I and I control the rubber dub tune. STUR GAV play a country, STUR GAV play a town. Come in, Mr. Pablo, come here town.
Yes, let's go to it. See, that's why man proud of Jamaica. See, man, me proud of Jamaica. Listen, you know me proud of me street and me proud of me lane. And know where we go, them have to call out with name. Jamaica is with name and music is with game. We live up everything and then we back bound to wait up. Alright, now the other distinction of Rastafari. Selassie. We see the principal there. Wait out. Sit. Now you got a man called Barry Brown. Got the principal of one bona big head before him working himself. It's me I say, Selassie, I know my brethren. Barry Brown for the item. Dedicated to all the Oracabessa. All man from St. Mary. Selassie, I know my brethren.
My baby, it was principal. My darling.
Hold up!
Addis Ababa International.
Selassie, I know my brethren. STUR GAV do it, you know, see? But so we are rubber up sound and that's how we have to do it. Nice and easy so the item can full joy there themselves.
The first look at you, my baby, it was principal. My darling, have you much closer to me? You've got discipline. Have you in my arms, my baby? I never want to lose you, oh no. We will
Mighty Barry Brown. You see it? Past and gone, but the memory still there on my brethren.
Love me a deal with. Love, 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 love. Love us in the water. My baby, love, love, love. Love me a deal with. Love, love, love. Love us in the water.
Selassie, my brethren.
When I see you, my baby.
Here he comes. I know you walk on the part one style. On my way to St. Thomas. Oh, Mr. Pat, yellow Sergeant Jelly Coconut. Now here come a woman in my ears like a wash. She say, hey Pablo, how you getting so fat? Can we go a Bailey's Beach? Go sail by yacht. Say down and she have a bammy and sprat. Carrot Jones with ice, we go sickling on me back. Me say no daughter, no bother with that. A countryman come full me, head up a chop. Brother stay home, sit up and relax. Sit up with me woman and cook a little pot. Now me go ask her where she name. She tell me sister Dash. What kind of work she do? She go say that she's a brat. Put me hand up on me head top. Me have to make a scratch. Me foot feel weak. I have to make a start. It's a lucky thing me say me virgin in a van a flash dread. Stretch out me hand and tell the brethren fi stop. Jump in a the van and tell me brethren fi flash. Cause me can't take the life of a brass. Now so the man says to the king some play. Yeah, song called King STUR GAV Wi-Fi. Now what the man is the principal.
Yes, not the Pablo. Right now, he say greetings, our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, and blood God's last year the first. I also greet you in wisdom and in truth, that the man lose confidence in himself, lose 90% in the race of life was part in 1963 by the prophet Isaiah. Yeah! cut and clear, cramp and paralyzed. Well, big up Daddy Uri. Big up man like Bulby Lionheart. You know, so you know, come and strictly truths and right. But this one dedicated to all of the little youth, then we have fire shot and about them a shatter. Because when time we come about shatter off, it's scatter. Run it through, boy.
Cornwall, mega sex and sorry.
Yes,
you come ready because this gotta get in a hurry.
Right now, he say keep on rocking and keep on skanking. Lord, because a whole heap of lyrics put a Chaplin and go flash till the morning. So me a beg on no fit happy. Cause too much shotty make the people unhappy. Be a foreign violent. Oh Lord! Right. I'm gonna tell you, man. A strictly nice in the street la morning, man. Bulby, load up the chalice and come check me now. Last year, you know. Dedicate to all nice and decent people. Lord have mercy. Say who not happy. Too much shotty make the people them unhappy. Nothing of foreign violence, the whole of them are copy. Anyway you pick it up, gear back or drop it. Too much papi. Too much rappy. You think I every day Chaplin get up, say me happy. Pain and frustration and hunger me got it. But me nah go take no gun, go shoot down me scatty. Look how the whole a waking blacky. We head natty. We put cracky. You try to survival when the road rocky. The whole heap a pow. Oh no fear, don't make the paper dramatic preferring. Oh Lord!
Addis Ababa International.
Moro. I'm gonna tell you, man. Them a youth here, man, a talk about them a shatter. Right now, me a show them a scatter. Lord have mercy. Say Papa Chaplin at the party. And everybody come follow me. Hear me now, sick lady. Say this a hard road to travel. And a mighty long way to go. But Jah we blessed creator. I'm go lead me to the way I know. Come me say many gonna lonesome valley. Some gone with no water, no flow. But it is a hard road to travel and a mighty long way to go. So people me gone down in our culture. Mojo, me say me galan down in our culture. We gone down in our culture. We love Master God. For him we create time we choke in a scratchy but no watch it. Live up. I want you know say we are there of distinction. And I big brother there our man as a mojo.
So last year, Rastafari after doing it for 30 years. Nothing else, some guy changed him rear for career, but I feel no way. Rastafari live, just run it, cause principle. See them have a look one name Mavada or Avocado, whatever know him name. Say, you understand a beer badness. But the principle we are dealing, so run it as STUR GAV and a Charlie and Josie. Lord have mercy. King Selassie have mercy. Charlie and Josie in the party. Hear me now start. From Daddy Massam take life, Charlie Massam Jim Brown, there was some principle. From Daddy you right, Prince Jazz Boom Big Youth, yes it was some principle. So how the hell the little nowadays DJ them a go on like them working with the devil. Them should have followed Josie Wales and Charlie Chaplin and read up them Bible. Lord, have a little girl named June. Say she never walked till the third up. Whoa, Charlie and Josie, them cannot understand. From where little youth and old Mike in a way and we full of principle. Rastafari we full of principle. Lord, we come in at the dance and we feel like rain. Bun to split up on the strong sensei. All of the nice girl them a shout out for wing. Rum it in a town and jam it. Lift up. Selector, you don't know that you right have them song yeah, from Malika Youth and a race board. See it? So no feel no way. Two style my virgin right now. We have to just get in the mood and them because some people come in and STUR GAV. Them can't swing away and dash away. And hand cat and all them thing they are over the moon. Them figure say well, yeah them can't dance. But we have to just do the STUR GAV dance because we are original people. So all original STUR GAV crew say go on. Original music, you mad? It will come a STUR GAV boy in them tight pants with them titty a pint out. I dance with them friend like them on the four tops, straight them in the same clothes. Selassie, STUR GAV, Charlie and Josie. That you want to teach her. Sick lady just hold the girl them tight.
What
Lord,
ENT?
Selassie, dreadlocks are saying, oh what a wicked situation. I rum up this session. Disrespect to Rasta man, and you're bound to be gone down like Babylon, Lord. I am beat down Babylon. I chant down Babylon. Blessed is the man that walketh not in the counsel of the ungodly, that standeth in the ways of sinners, that sitteth in the seats of the scornful. But the light of the Lord God to Rastafari. Charlie and Josie shall meditate by day and night while STUR GAV playing. So you got to hear when the champion DJ sing. Anywhere we go, dreadlocks we just boom. Natty a go burn down Babylon. Rastafari make what am I say principal?
Ribbit Colonel, ribbit a million times. And I say keep on rocking and keep on skanking. Where did she go? Nobody know. Say where did she go? Nobody know. Donkey water say hold him Joe. Say if a DJ say no call we so. Say some walk fast and me say some walk slow. But I know say you got to go and go. Now we come. Almighty, mighty cat called the Brendo. I know say you have to know yourself in a them time, your brother. Hold it. I see when time STUR GAV have to play education, dedication and inspiration. See? Colonel, give them a talk.
Right now, them dancers stop, you know. You stop, go dance right now, go hear original music scene. The youth them nowadays. The last time Lee Perry get a Grammy Bounty Killer say, I own him Lee Perry. When them father tell him, say, yeah, the man, they write all them Bob Marley song, them say, oh. So you have to know the business. The last year I know, no disrespect to the new DJ them, but you have to know the thing. The man named Brendo. Original, this one called Everybody Ballin'. Right now, hard times, my brethren. Run it, the selector. Selassie, Rastafari, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. Go on.
Everybody ballin',
Lord of mercy.
ballin' for love.
Wheel up, wheel up, wheel up, wheel up. What am I say, principal?
Right now, it's a blessed is the Lord thy God, and blessed are they that do his work. Can you receive it? We have received it, we have sent we, and you receive it, we have sent, we have received it, Lord thy God. Yeah! Grandpa paralyze all wicked man of Babylon. Righteous man stand. Do it, yeah.
Everybody ballin', ballin' for love, yeah, yeah. Everybody's asking for love.
Wheel up one more time, selector. Cause right now when you hear them music, you know say, oh, inspiration. How do man suffering now?
I don't know it's a Rasta no go dance. If we want to go, we go exotic club. When they come at STUR GAV, Rasta dance. Wow.
Everybody ballin', ballin' for love, yeah, yeah. Everybody's asking,
Lord of mercy,
asking for love.
STUR GAV.
Everybody ballin', ballin' for love, yeah, yeah. Everybody's asking,
Lord of
asking
mercy,
for love.
Jesus Christ.
Everywhere you go, it's the same thing all around. No one will tell you anything that is strange. Their hands are their heads, not a penny in their pockets. Nothing they do can change this life of living.
Everybody ballin'.
Their hands are their heads,
Selassie.
not a penny in their pockets.
Now here comes a part 2 style, my virgin. Let me tell you them something. You have some man stand up with them hand in the pocket and fill up them balls like a balls juggling contest. And them dance, so you have to go and dance. Then look a new dance, and we see the guy them with them twitty at point out and them look a tight skirt and thing. Them can't man is a STUR GAV dance, so you have to just rock and roll. This one named Babylon, your bongo cat. You see, I don't know the cuss, but I know that STUR GAV. Selassie. And if you love STUR GAV, say go on. King Selassie, Josie and Charlie, for the roots hear them star. Babylon, your bongo cat, kiss me plate clock. I know the cap fit and them me attack. Who no bongo cat? Kiss me plate clot lord. Who the cap fit and them me attack? Them sit Charlie and Josie and them know we are Rasta. One come style up them big imposter. True them see we a smoke up, we ganja attack, how we slack. I know we vulgar dreadlocks. How them not tell you how carnival slack? When a naked man a wind up on a white man back. But whoa donkey I must see half idiot. Give me pass, make Rasta bust 2 shot in a them bongo cat. Kiss me plate clock. Wheel up. Come in principal.
Ribbit, Colonel. Ribbit a million times. Right now I said dedicate this one to the teacher, you right. And you teach about Rasta man. You know. You are some guy want come fight against I. You not stop teach people about Rastafari. But I rather die and crucify than to deny the Lord God Rastafari. Cause everybody balling. Balling my people, balling follow. Woy, woy, the little children asking. Or the marks faster, they asking for love. Do it! If you not bow to feed them pressure, I know what just to feed them nature. It's like them want you feed it for younger. But we'll up put no hand cause it's no I never put we hand on them head. Yeah! They not have money in them pocket. Them a go wish them did dead. But me and Josie come and say Reggae up on a rocket. Sing your song, brother, sing your song.
Now we love my selector. So last year I know about the sound of the whole wide world of feeling with my brethren. Every dance we gonna a go-go. The people them coming naked. Woman I show them back jar. And boy I show him Grammy. Lord, oh no bongo cat. Kiss we plate clock. Who the cap fitter, who know we attack, who no bongo cat. Kiss me plate clock. Who the cap fitter, then we attack them. See Charlie and Josie are on party from the year of 1973. We say I know many DJ can chat it like we. So the heart, science and technology, graduate from Sidewalk University. We coming from the Zinc Fence Academy. Now them see we on the street and them can't understand. Them must think we're just comfy, come from obsession. That's why them balling, Lord. Balling faster, girl. Yeah, yeah. Everybody asking Jesus Christ, asking faster, girl. You know, virgin Charlie Chaplin can't get no peace on the street. You right can't get no peace on the street. Papa Josie can't get no peace on the street. Even for the roots can't get no peace on the street. Me say me go downtown and the people gather round. Them say STUR GAV on the champion sound. We don't care if you're black, white or you're brown. Coulda come from uptown or even Lord. So pick we up and liquid up, we bounce right back. Hard sound fitted, owned by dread. Hard sound fitted, dance to by dread. Hard sound fitted, DJ by dread. They said them balling, Jesus Christ, balling faster, yeah. Yeah, yeah, everybody asking, Lord, asking for STUR GAV. You know, star, Charlie coming on the dance and them feel like rain. Bundles split off on the strong sensing. The deep meditation down in a way. Make we respect when wife and we pick picking it. That's why them balling. Jesus Christ, Rastafari, Rastafari. In a this time, it a go dread. Piece of hunger out of airport, me a beg Jad Dodo make it come in. Rastafari, know that this time, because the DJ them with a suffer and eat chicken back and rice. Them get some money now for buy big van and think the whole of them want to shoot them. They want to shoot them for woman. They want to know who van bigger than who have the top tune now they on British chart. So last year I know my brethren have vexed with them. If you want God take you out of poverty, just pray. Say now when you come out of poverty, don't disrespect. Rastafari, I love you. Run it. The Ital. The Lion of Judah shall break every chain and set his children free. Rastafari, I know. So last year I know principle. I don't love how the youth them live nowadays. I don't love how them live nowadays. And I will look what changes have to go on. Come like nowadays, me lose off all the churches. Believe me. Lord, but them have to run. Yes, them have to run. Yes, them a pick it up, turn up and run when Rasta come, Lord. Them a fi run, Lord, them a fi run. The wicked a fi run when Rastafari come. That missing the parcel, rape off the young school girl, and things like this brandish around the world. What happened to a Highland Jamaica? It's like the people them forgot about his mighty Rasta, and every little thing a just blam blam blam. Up to this morning, them lick down another one. Them a fi run, yes them a fi run. Lord, them a fi run when Rastafari come. Come principal, no make we chant them down.
Lord of mercy, me people, but no hear me now. Say all who no like informer, say push up on no hand. Come me say jump up on no hand. Me rather me die as a old prisoner more than live as a informer. Oracabessa man them. Me rather me die as a old prisoner more than live as a informer. Send me a remand them. And everywhere we go, you know we no big friend. And when we come, we say we live it, now what there's no end. Kapupa Chaplin said that 5 and 5 he must 10. Josie Wales, me say be hold back to this again.
Lord of mercy, Lord me see them pose and them bragging and them piece of whole jeep. Them living them we know say it kinda cheap. In a time like this when it wicked and steep, them mother go on them belly with a big white sheet. When the pants now coming now one big black gown and a 6 foot 6 them a go underground. Them a fi run. Yes, them a fi run, Lord. Them a fi run when Rastafari come. Kings and Lassie, them a fi run. Yes, them a fi run. Dreadlocks, them a fi run when Rastafari come. The Bible says, two shall be the better than one be taken away. And if a heathen don't change his ways, he's gonna be slave. But if the watchman inside the city and want it not, then them go down too. In a one Chris mode back. Them a fi run. Yes, them a fi run, Lord. Them a fi run when Rastafari come. So last year I know my brethren. Now we come a thing called prophecy. I want the item getting to the vibe, you know. See, you know, I see the item. I see the item, I shake to the vibe. I see the vibe, see? A Rasta vibe, I see it, I will love it. Prophecy, STUR GAV, run it. So last year I live, one.
Looks like just sun, it doesn't shine.
Wheel up!
Freedom is a must, and I know that scene. So in a jar we put with trust. Now care what them say freedom is a must. I come. Participation to mankind version. No say. Say something in my heart is like a stream running down. And it make me feel so happy as I can be. Come and say when them talk about Jaja and what Jah done for me. Come and say something in my heart is like a stream running down. So Colonel, watch out, make we come down. Make we come down. Watch out, make we come down now. Bulby, out, make we come down. Make we come down. Watch out, make we come down now. Come and say, some a walk and some a run, but Papa Chaplin, no him there no. And Papa Josie lyrics I a fine tongue. And over them a come, but them a fisty down.
Now Selassie live. STUR GAV. Eyeball with herbs smell nice. Herbs smell nice. Herbs smell nice, baby. Lord of mercy. STUR GAV in the big bright light. We are gonna mash up Oracabessa tonight. Yes, Bulby, Lord, the herbs smell nice. It must seem like it's Sean Paul who give the light. Out Lord Josie will be out harder and bright. Elam powder house in Babylon touch you tonight. Bulby, the herbs smell nice. Lord, Bulby, him and the chalice king. A long time with the no stone, never shown and no buckle, never fling. Ring ding ding, ring a ding. Wheel up. From the top to the very last drop, Selassie, I know a STUR GAV. A long time when I turn up with a dance and a principal. I'm a cynical youth, them a go on, like say. I fight them a fuss and a fight in the business, everybody want better than who. And Rasta stand up strong. Selassie, you see it? Rasta stand up strong and we're firm. And we're Chris. Lord of mercy. Jesus Christ, original of mercy. Yeah, man, don't star. Lord, I'm not a student. nor the teacher who inspire me, the Almighty Father, are for the roots, see for the culture. Me can't blow bread, but me light thunder. Long time me there, blaze up the fire. Mother and my father, real bongo naya. Don't say Charlie Chaplin, a true born Rasta. Can never fool with your lyrics. We go DJ like the sap. We talk about slackness and under gal frap. We there from Michael Jackson was black. Long before Bob Marley start dreadlocks. Dreadlocks, the dreadlocks and Peter Tosh. Then we love Selassie, Rastafari. Brethren, I destroy. We are going to destroy it in the Bulby. Bulby, I destroy. We are going to destroy it. And the principal said, let's put on a big kettle so with tea. You understand? And some fry. Some fry. Here comes the thing, girl. Alexander Henry. Bad singer. Singer your father. Wheel up. All the STUR GAV Q, I want you to say, go on.
Daddy, you right, you know, say your thing, them, you know. I will love hear you upon them, yeah. So anyway, you're there, you can step up, my father. Right, say you got to be true. No matter we do many moves. To be no more. Like a team to the clover. Do it.
I've been searching the whole wide world for someone
like you, baby. Around for no baby girl, no some me say, cause say you get to be true. Come and make it, you say that beg you to be true. Cause say no pussy, no fanny. Cause say no pinching or bully. Come and say no backbiting. Cause say no rapping or stabbing. That's why I'm telling people, the waist black out, say not the train, watch out. But when someone no black or not, the one but not no jack or not, my brother can't live up or not, the natural fact. But if all the sister think that you will lead, you go away and that the other rock, but then you could not hear me when I play. Say you get to be true. Selector, wheel up. That's the king, come on. King, and you make them your rhythm. I want to say teacher.
Yes, principal, big respect and big respect to everyone that said America. Watch out. I want to set up STUR GAV, saying, and you know, we love you, saying to the max. So you got to be true. Man can't Bulby saying, Principal Johnny Chaplin. Man can't Colonel Josie Wales along with a man can't not the Pablo Citadine. Man can't miss a future. Well, you and I pray for me, song with these ways, I would say. Down for me, you do what say.
I've been searching the whole
What, baby?
wide world for someone
What you say?
like
you. And now that I found you, baby, I beg you be true, y'all. And I be nobody boo, y'all. But I say, I don't stand up for school when I'm talking to you. Oh, baby, please be true, and nobody will say you got to be true. Hey, but I got to be true. Yes, baby, you say you got to be true. But I beg you, say please be true. Hey, but I love not to bang, love not to bounce. But I will come to them and those who bang the most. But you got to be true. Yes, you're supposed to be true. Baby, never understand the school when I'm talking to you. Oh, what you say about Chaplin? Respect teacher. Like say, got to know stay, got to stay round. Right about now, you can about things sound, rhythm sound, round, down, round, to the back, people right on there. Don't talk things to the Wi-Fi. Where the big ball belong. Do it!
all those lonely days and nights.
Addis Ababa International.
I said they gone from we now. Come and said now, rough on no baby girl or something say, I say you get to be true. Papa mojo me say tell them to be true.
Lord, you have to be true, Lord. Suzy Q and Pinky Lou buck up a half of the who. The way them start war, everybody starts crew. Police block the road like it under curfew. Chop up one another fine like Hallelujah. When them done and broke foot, broke eye blue and blue. Come in at the dance and say you and you. Charlie Chaplin, Josie Wales, and that be you right. Every time they see with them I jump up for joy. Say you got to be true. So now see I live. Each and every hour, every minute I pray, every minute I give thanks. I feel our bridging them dance here. A straight till the morning. That's right. People ever want you. People ever want you, that's right. Step cross teacher.
Yes, people. What I say? We love you like I love the little student of Israel. Yeah. Now here comes the man called Citadine at the musical control tower. Play musical shower each and every hour and be hour. Now here comes the sound called King Studio Band, play musical sound, the sound where you and man sound will play. A long time we are called you, but you don't want to come. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yes, man, that's how we do it. So youth and youth, you see, when you hear the sound I play, I just saw we play, cause I know the youth like from the age of 16. Youth from like the age of 16 to all 30. You wouldn't even understand how the song play, but you know what? We're not playing no soca, we're not playing no funky, we're not playing no soul, we're not playing no calypso, we're not playing no hip hop. No disrespect still to none of the music there. But we just play strictly rubber dub. Alright, youth and youth, so blessed. Run it from the top to the very last drop, y'all. Yeah, you know. Yeah. Baby, baby, baby. I'm a baby, baby, baby. Hey, I'm a baby, baby, baby. Well then. But a long time Jaja call you, but you don't want to come. So Babylon to stop you coming and come. Yeah, but Jaja call you, but you don't want to come. Believe me, Babylon to stop you coming and come. But Jaja call you. Hey, so Jaja warn you. I'm gonna just say something, say so Jaja call you. You hear me tell you people say so Jaja warn you. Not on day, you only hear me from the beach. So I'm gonna call you from west. Yeah, where you say for Chaplin? Yes, people. Got to know yourself, man. This your time, yeah. I say keep on rocking and keep on shocking. Josie, come and say what am I gonna do when Sir Rocky have gone? Be lion. What am I gonna do when Charlie Chaplin gone? What am I gonna do when Josie Wales gone? Be lion. What am I gonna do when Josie Wales him gone? Who a come and dance, he come nice up the land. Make loose man tell a put a man a sell roast can. No for them a dedicate to Britney where you born. No for them a yell them bread chin and then gone. I mean say, what am I gonna do when for the roots him leave? Boy, what am I gonna do when for the roots him leave? And no for them a sit down a yard and a grieve. No for them bury Jennifer and all Steve. No for them never know for the wood a lead. But me say, what am I gonna do when Charlie Chaplin left? Say, what am I gonna do when Charlie Chaplin left? No for them a screw and no for them vex. No for them a talk but them not hear nothing yet. This a STUR GAV sound live and direct. And if you don't believe, just kiss off me neck. Say some of them a dancing at them big butter grip. Some of them a laugh and them know you not joke yet. Yes, Josie will me see the hidden them a bread.
Lord, where them a go do fi get we out? Lord, where them a go do fi get we out? Long dreadlocks, where them a go do fi get we out? No, where them a go do fi get we out? Some of them a drink them stout, some of them a run them out. A long time we there and we a soldier, we no scout. We see them come a DJ, we see them a chat. Them a run mouth Susie, them a whole malaprat. Lippy, your tongue you go better go swell. Long time we there and we can't go to well. Ringing at them ears like a damn church bell. Only things and time and we know we talk. Charlie Chaplin, with them a go do we get we out. For the roots, with them a go do we get we out. Lord, with them a go do we. Not a Pablo, with them a go do we get we out. Lord, east, west, north and south. No dirty nigga, don't you try to get we out. The dance of a rum man, you must understand. And we burn out and we come and we are true Rasta man. Lord, and when them are gonna do forget principal.
What am I gonna do forget to you? No for them turn up in a dance and a shout. No for them turn up and a shove up them out. Some come from east, some come from south. But me say when them a go do when sick like gone. Who a come a dance, he come nice up the land. Make Superman sell off the Superman and sell a roast can. Dedicate that one here to the picnic them we born. And so the man says so the King's own play.
Called Tony Curtis, a STUR GAV, a soul playing a style. A feeling we're virgin, a bubble, we are bubble long now. So all the girls them see right. All the girls them coming at them half a skirt. We touchdown right down at your style. Selassie. What am I say, principal?
Watch it. Yes, sir.
So much sexy ladies in the world.
Brand new.
All them so fine.
You know when you come a ball belong,
out of all the ladies in the world.
Worries.
I thank God that you are mine. In my life where everything went wrong.
All sexy
something
girls.
finally went right. Now there's only one sexy lady in my world.
Shut it.
Tonight. Da da da. Hey, baby, I swear it's only you, baby. Come be my one and only boo. And if you give me a bitch,
I know you have a tune that one up on the top, man.
Serial.
Brand new.
Hey, still doobie doobie doobie
Good job for bust them tune, yeah.
Baby,
Mighty Tony Curtis.
watch it. So much sexy ladies in the world. And the world of them so fine. Out of all the ladies in the world, I thank God that you are mine. In my life where everything went wrong, something finally went right. Now there's only one sexy lady in my world. Tonight, da da da. Hey, baby, I swear it's only you, baby. Come be my one and only boo. And if you give me up the chance, you will find romance. Let nobody tell you about no one dance. Honey, I take you on a cruise, baby. Come let me wash away your blues. Girl, what you want is what you get, and what you get will make you wet. Come write it down, everything go set. Hey, so much sexy ladies in the world. I know all of them so fine. Out of all the ladies in the world, I thank God that you are mine. In my life where everything went wrong, something finally went right. Now there's only one sexy lady in my world. Tonight, da da da. Hey, baby, watch this. I'm gonna show away my number.
A counteraction, someone called evaction. And I say I played for your satisfaction, you know. Mighty Tony Curtis. Josie, I tell you about the love song, them man. Let me have the real love song. Tell them, Dada, tell them.
Girl, are you me love? Are you me want? Are you me love? Are you me want? Hey little girl, of my dream. We want to go every Sunday and buy ice cream. Me and you rowing in the love boat down the stream. The way I make love hard, you start scream. Run to Charlie Chaplin and think you got away. You never know, so we bad way to the roughest DJ. Then you want to say, you run down to Daddy Rhyme. Off your hungry like a mangle. Jennifer and Jai, Lord. Are you me love? Are you me want? Y'all, are you me love? Are you me want? Girl, if you think no man want you, and you're treating yourself like a gas station, running here and there from hand to hand, I tell you, I vex. You see it, woman? Respect your furniture. Respect your body. Respect your structure. Respect your good day. You see it? Lord, are you me love? Are you me want? Are you me love? Are you me want? Sometime you're ready and see some girl with some fat body pass you. You know, some little tight skirt and you get nervous. But don't feel like my brethren, none can compare to mommy at home who cook your food and wash up the plate. And press your nice shirt and make you come out with semen in your pants. Charlie Chaplin!
Tell them, Colonel, tell them like this. I know say we are not fugitive. But me say, so much problem in our life. Sometimes me make man all kill off him wife. Every day you get up and you're in a pace drive. But let down the light just to back and bite. But the lion and tiger them always rumble and fight. But I Israelites should never fuss and fight. Cause that ain't right in a Selassie eyesight. Now we come to mighty cat called Tony Curtis. Continue all of this one called STUR GAV. Rolling. Oh. Original. I want them start.
Feeling up some sounds at the dance at ease. Sipping on some Mali with some Hennessy.
Selector. I know it for my top. What is it to say? Selector, you see when time we play a ball belong and enough man make money in a kernel. At the 14 parish me hear people are run cassette and CD and a sell, you know. And a ball belong dancing with STUR GAV. So run it, make people eat food, oh boy. Blessed sound and blessed Lord. I would want to say kernel.
Selassie, I know, all over the world. Can't stop playing the baddest sound of the West. Tony Curtis, go on. Selassie.
And I'm rolling with the stepper and the girl in these. That's how we rollin'. And you can believe what you wanna believe. And I know the stepper can play with these. Actually Jamaican or Japanese. Daddy, how you rollin'? Check it out. No, anytime we roll, every time we roll away our sorrows. Come in, be with the vibe, then I life. And I done more sound tomorrow. STUR GAV never regret the day they go.
Selassie, Rastafari.
I has a kind future feeling alright while it's taking his leave.
John over brethren, you see
up some sounds at the dance at ease. Sipping on some Mali with some Hennessy. And I'm rolling.
now here comes the one I dedicated to Bulby. Bulby, you don't know so for years. And we have a save champion like the item saying Rastafari know people. I'm here the Christian I tell you about too. I want to go to heaven and rest. I'm tired of staying down there. Never stop singing them song their church or virgin because God make earth for we. I heaven and your elder, right? Yes, sir. So if you want to live your life like a dog and a drunk crow, you can live it that way. But if you love yourself and respect yourself, so go on, STUR GAV. Run it. Here comes up for the praise style. Bulby. This one dedicated to Bulby. Saying, coming from the whole STUR GAV crew. Dedicated to Bulby and all the Port Maria people. Go on.
I will never let you go.
Wheel up. I want to say principal.
Ribbit Colonel, ribbit a million times. And the spirit of God not striving away all the time. Wash out the clothes and throw that pan line. Do it, ja.
I will never let you go. I will never let you go. I will never. I've got to hold on every day, in every way.
Man called Daddy, you are the teacher.
You would say
you would like little Twitch, not the Pablo.
That way.
Man called for the roots, future,
You don't try.
Cycladi.
Instead you keep on telling on those
Colonel Josie Wales and I Principal Charlie Chaplin.
How things would be.
We don't play Skull Ball Belong.
I am free. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me, cause I will never let go. I always try. And I've got so much soul. And you wonder why. It's just because I'm so true. You'll be feeling blue when I get through. There's nothing you can do now. I know I could, and I know I could. I know I could.
Why not you say? How you come to counteract and style? I want to say teacher.
Addis Ababa International.
Yeah, before we play the next tune, people want us give this reminder. So next week, Saturday night, I will leave a place called Clermont. And you'll be dancing songs called King STUR GAV with a man called Colonel Josie Wales. Principal Charles Chaplin, Little John. And I daddy you are the man called General Trace. Please call Clement next week, Saturday night. Make this a date and don't be late. Cause that will be very great. Now here comes. Yes. But I never. See so baby don't ever. Hey. Give them a inch where them want 1 yard. Give them a yard, set them 1 mile. Once a man and twice a child. Yes, everything is just for a while. Well, it seems like total destruction is the only solution. Ain't no way, I say no way, yo. Nobody could have stopped them now. Yes, I'm gonna come and tell you what I say, no way, yo. Nobody could have stopped them now. Yeah. Would I never let you go. Would I never let you go. Say, baby, so that you know, say, we really love you so. Want the world to know, ain't gon' never let you go. Say, ain't gon' never. Ain't no way, so say, never. Ain't no way, most of them say, so would I never. Ain't no way, would I ever. Oh, where's the principal? Never let go, teacher. Lift up. I know so the colonel hold them ready me and talk about pieces. What am I say more time?
Selassie, lift up. I have a feature, a big star brethren, man called Andem, better known as Poddy. Seeing Step Cross Poddy from Jaro, you love STUR GAV every night you present.
Selassie, brother. Sad music always make we cry. Sad music always make me cry. So I get up and slowly walk alone.
Addis Ababa International.
And Mama saw the tears and said, what's wrong? And just as the operator start play sweet music, I saw my woman and my I dream walking. Oh, I said sad music always make me cry. Sad music always make me cry.
Lord, for the roads, respect on them. You should have shoot up the dance and grab your woman and go on. It's a lucky thing a STUR GAV in the land. Selassie, a long time we're there, and a years. And some like we and some don't, but who give a damn? If you ever notice some of the people who can't like you, them can't help you. You see it? That one name the love triangle. Want see for woman or a man of the angle. Beanie man and bounty them well entangled. A long time when they all have to read with Bible. Lord, love beanie man and bounty when they don't see them a war. Love beanie man and bounty when they don't see them a fight. Love beanie man and bounty when they don't see them a war. When them get back together, then we have to stay for. Beanie man and Devil Angel was on TV. While Bounty Killer called me from in Miami. Him say, hey Colonel Josie, do you think it is right? Did the doctor take me Angel and I say he's him wife? Me say Bounty me a bad man, me no live me 80 life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk around me house with a big flashlight. We love Selassie, I come in principal.
Why, Colonel? I tell them long time. Anytime you hear them two DJ, they both them a war, man. I joke them a give Josie. Living joke. When you see me, Colonel, I one thing me have to tell them. Me no war. Me a the bad dready. From a little bit to me no play with no teddy. Give me the girl them fatter maga like Teddy. Elephant a tell the girl them both weddy. While him a weddy, me and the girl na beddy. I rub down leggy and I play na dready. She love when me kick back and hold on. More. I would want to finish that lyrics.
Selassie, I know, brother. I want to lift up. That one I'm a brand new. Saying that one I'm a brand new. Watch now. Now we watch this little DJ them out there talk about them tough and tough. You know. We are the original now. We not change the style. You understand? And I'm going to make the tight blows for fit we. So last year I know, run it. And boy, I get him little hickey on him neck. I and I feel up in body job. The work come feel like say, yeah, rub up them STUR GAV. You see? So last time, Lord have mercy. Love be the man and bunty when you don't see them a war. Love be the man and bunty when you don't see them a fight. Love be the man and bunty, them a two big star. When them get back together, then we have to stay far. Be the man and devil angel was on TV. While Bunty Killer call me from in Miami. Him say, hey Colonel Josie, do you think it is right? Fit the doctor take me angel and I say is him wife. Me say Bunty be a bad man, me no live me till life. The way me watch my woman, me no sleep at night. Me walk round.
Wagwan ENT,